In the context of wellness, what words of wisdom would you give to younger people in this career? Maybe something that you wish you would have known earlier or something that's helped you along the way.
What I would say to that is, as a young officer, if you get into law enforcement and you decide to stay, I would say prioritize your financial, physical, and mental health early, starting in your career, especially your financial. Because what happens to a lot of officers is they don't really focus on that. I didn't focus on that, which I found, especially the financial part. I mean, I realized it at some point in my career, and I made those changes. But these things can be key to determining how well your career goes. Especially your mental, whether that be because you have a family or whether that's because of your faith or whatever the case may be. But prioritize these things as soon as you get into the career field. Find out what you need to do to be able to save for retirement. Check into your retirement plan, see what type of retirement plan that you have so that in 20, 25 years down the road, if you're still in law enforcement, you're not figuring out, man, how am I going to survive on this retirement? Because you haven't saved any money,
Yeah.
or what you will make in retirement will is going to be less than what you can live on now that you're not actually working. So I would say to young officers, which I have said to young officers, prioritize these things early
Mm.
because this will determine your path in law enforcement and your success in law enforcement. Because if you don't, and you let one thing or another because of internal problems or because of financial problems or because of marital problems or whatever the case may be, and you haven't put yourself first and you haven't put yourself in a situation where you take care of yourself, it's going to be a bad time. So I would say prioritize these three things early and make sure that you don't let it slip at any point in time.